A call to the youth of Virginia, to the Commonwealth's biggest birthday bash, to discover the revolutionary spirit that led to the birth of a new nation.
And in recognition of our nation's 250th anniversary, we mutually pledge to learn from the past, engage with the present, and to help inspire America's future.
Let the celebration of liberty truly begin!
Because this is where those ideas were born and raised, where the dream of freedom became a nation destined to achieve it. America was indeed made in Virginia.
By the leadership at Fort Monroe and the VA250 commissioners who are sharing the building blocks of this great republic in a way that it has never been told.
We've come from different places, traveled different roads, and yet we gather here, together in one spirit of unity.
When we see our own reflections in the mirror of our history, those heroes were not so different from ourselves.